Good morning, friends. Welcome to Play with Books. Today we will learn idioms and phrases for class 5. Let's enjoy and take a look. Thank you. The next idiom is class clown. Its meaning is a student who tries to make other students laugh. The sentence is he is the class clown with the contestant habit of talking and making fun of others. The next idiom is miss the boat. Its meaning is miss a chance. The sentence is I just missed the boat on making a great deal. Next idiom is spin a yarn. Its meaning is tell a long and far-fetched story. The sentence is my friend spins a yarn about his trip all the time. The next idiom is monkey tricks. Its meaning is mischievous behavior. The sentence is stop disturbing me by your monkey tricks. The next idiom is hang in there. Its meaning is do not give up. The sentence is I know you want to quit, but hang in there. Things will be get better next time. The next idiom is count noses. Its meaning is to count the number of people around you. The sentence is I need to count noses before we leave the museum. The next idiom is stab someone in the back. Its meaning is betraying someone secretly. The sentence is when I was in trouble, all my friends stabbed me in the back. The next idiom is hold your horses. Its meaning is tell someone to wait, slow down, or stop for a moment. Just hold up your horses and think about this for a moment. The next idiom is hit the sack. Its meaning is go to the bed. The sentence is we hit the sack early because we had to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. The next idiom is come hell or high water. Its meaning is possible obstacles in your path will not stop you. The sentence is I will get you to the airport by noon. Come hell or high water. The next idiom is hold your horses. Its meaning is tell someone to wait, slow down, or stop for a moment. The sentence is just hold your horses and think about this for a moment. The next idiom is step up your game. Its meaning is to start performing better. The sentence is I really need to step up my game if I am going to play in this tournament. The next idiom is it's raining cats and dogs. Its meaning is to rain very heavily. The sentence is it was raining cats and dogs yesterday at Patna. The next idiom is take it easy. Its meaning is to relax and avoid hard work. The sentence is you should take it easy. The next idiom is jump on the bandwagon. Its meaning is following a trend. The sentence is people jump on the bandwagon very quickly. Idiom is eager beaver. Its meaning is someone who works hard and is very enthusiastic. The sentence is give that big project to the new girl. She is a real eager beaver. The next idiom is teacher's pet. Its meaning is teacher's favorite student. The sentence is I think he is a teacher's pet. I repeat, teacher's pet. Its meaning is teacher's favorite student. The next idiom is face the music. Its meaning is face the reality. The sentence is if you make a mistake, you will have to face the music. So stay tuned and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel Play with Books. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.